Today I'm gonna make a cake.
So what do you have to do first?
Wash our hands. Here our apron. Now wash your hands.
Okay.
So the germs can't go anywhere.
Okay.
So that it might go in the sugar and stuff.
Okay, so did you wash your hands?
Yeah.
Good.
Blah.
So what are the ingredients you need to be a cake?
Flour, sugar,
Butter.
butter, and 1, 2, 3 eggs, and
Icing sugar.
icing sugar, and
Got water.
water.
And
Sprinkles!
yeah. And what else have you got then?
Vanilla, and I got
What is that? Pink food colouring.
it's pink food colouring. Now I'm gonna mix the sugar and the butter all in one. Boom! Woohoo! Now I'm gonna mix all the butter and the sugar. First, I'm gonna do this egg. How do you do it? One, two, three.
Okay, and what are you doing now?
Mixing up.
What are you adding now, Ava?
1 teaspoon of vanilla. Flour into this bowl. Now I'm gonna mix it all up. That was so hard. I'm just sticking the paper now. All the mixture in the tray. Now my cake is ready. I'm gonna make the icing. Now I'm gonna put the water and this icing sugar. Then I have to mix it. Sounds like pink. Now my favorite part of the sprinkles.